Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will tell you the trick to learn valency of elements. First of all, we will discuss the valency of the main group elements. So let's start with group 1 element. The valency of group 1 element is 1. I will tell you the trick to learn the group 1 element. Ha, li, na, kor, rubbed, crispy, fries, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. The valency of all these elements of group 1 is 1. Now, let's discuss the valency of group 2 elements. The valency of group 2 elements is 2. The trick to learn group 2 element is beautiful Maggie calls strangers bachelor rarely. That is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. So the valency of group 2 elements is 2. The valency of group 3A element is 3. The trick to learn group 3A element is bag it. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. So the valency of group 3A element is 3. The valency of group 4A element is 4. The trick to learn the elements of group 4A is college, student, get, sun, problem. The elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead. So the valency of group 4A element is 4. Now we will discuss the valency of group 8A. The valency of group 8A is 0 since it is a noble gas and they are highly stable. So its valency is 0. The trick to learn elements of group 8A is he, ni, Kar, Z, Run. The elements are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. So the group 8A valency is 0. The valency of group 7A element is 1. The trick to learn the elements of group 7A is friendly clowns bring in Austria. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. The valency of group 6A element is 2. The trick to learn group 6A element is O-side cell Telugu poetry. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. The valency of group 5A element is 3. The trick to learn group 5A element is newspaper, producer, ads, antimony, bismuth, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Now let's practice writing the valencies in the periodic table. First of all, we will write down the first 10 elements of the periodic table. You can write it down with the help of mnemonics. Happy Henry lives beside Boron Cottage near our friend Nelly. The elements are hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Then write down the elements of group 1A with the help of mnemonics. Ha, li, na, kor, rubbed, crispy, fries. The elements of group 1A are hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Valency of group 1A is 1. Now let's write down the elements of group 2A. The mnemonics of group 2A are beautiful Maggie calls strangers bachelor rarely. The elements of group 2A are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. The valency of group 2A is 2. Now let's write down the elements of group 3A. The mnemonics for group 3A are baguette, B Agit. The elements of group 3A are boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. The valency for group 3A is 3. Now let's write down the elements for group 4A. The mnemonics for group 4A are college student, get sun, problem. The elements for group 4A are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. The valency for group 4A is 4. Now let's write down the element for group 8A. The mnemonics are he, ni, kar, z, run. The elements for group 8A are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. The valency for group 8A is 0. Now let's write down the elements of group 7A with the help of mnemonics. Friendly, clowns, bring, in, Austria, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. The valency for group 7A element is 1. Now let's write down the elements of group 6A. The mnemonics for group 6A are O side cell Telugu poetry. The elements are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. The valency for group 6A element is 2. Now let's write down the elements of group 5A. The mnemonics for 5A. Newspaper, producer, ads, antimony, bismuth. The elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. The valency for group 5A element is 3.
Thank you for watching.